You finally decide to eat healthier, so you buy a perfect-looking avocado. You wait patiently for it to ripen, checking it every day. One day, it's too hard. The next, still not ready. Then boom, you check again, and it's too late. It's brown and mushy. You sigh, knowing you just lost the battle again. But what if I told you that avocados are worth all that trouble? That they're not just a trendy toast topper, but a powerhouse of nutrition that can transform your health. Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into why avocados deserve a spot in your daily diet. The nutritional powerhouse that keeps you healthy. Avocados are loaded with nutrients that your body craves. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. They have fiber to keep your digestion smooth and healthy. Vitamins like C, E, K, and B6 support immunity and skin health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Folate supports brain health and cell growth. Magnesium keeps your nerves and muscles working properly. The antioxidants in avocados fight inflammation and protect against diseases. Every bite of avocado is like a dose of natural multivitamins. If you want to stay healthy, avocados should be on your plate. A heart-healthy food that loves you back. Heart disease is one of the biggest health risks today. Avocados can help reduce bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. The potassium in avocados helps keep blood pressure in check. Monounsaturated fats improve heart function and circulation. The fiber helps prevent heart disease by keeping arteries clear. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress, a major cause of heart problems. Eating avocados daily may reduce the risk of strokes and heart attacks. It keeps your heart strong by lowering inflammation. Your heart will thank you for making avocados a regular part of your diet. Love your heart by eating more avocado, a brain-boosting superfood for mental sharpness. Ever feel foggy-headed or forgetful? Avocados are packed with brain-boosting nutrients. The healthy fats in avocados improve memory and concentration. Folate and vitamin E support brain function and slow cognitive decline. Potassium helps regulate brain signals for better focus. Magnesium reduces stress and anxiety, keeping your mind calm. The antioxidants protect brain cells from damage and aging. Eating avocados daily may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3 fatty acids in avocados support mental clarity. If you want to stay sharp and focused, add avocado to your diet. Your brain will love you for it. A natural beauty booster for glowing skin and hair. Forget expensive skincare products. Avocados are nature's beauty secret. They hydrate your skin from the inside out, keeping it soft and supple. The antioxidants fight wrinkles and slow down aging. Vitamin E nourishes and repairs damaged skin cells. Healthy fats prevent dryness and keep your skin glowing. Avocado masks can improve skin texture and reduce acne. Your hair also benefits from avocado's nutrients, making it shinier and stronger. The oils in avocado condition the scalp and reduce dandruff. Eating avocados regularly gives you a natural, healthy glow. Beauty truly starts from within, so eat more avocado. Supports weight management and keeps you full. Worried that avocados will make you gain weight? Don't be. The healthy fats in avocados keep you full longer, reducing cravings. High fiber helps with digestion and prevents overeating. Avocados balance blood sugar, preventing energy crash and hunger pangs. The creamy texture satisfies cravings without unhealthy calories. Eating avocado can boost metabolism and fat-burning processes. It helps in maintaining a healthy body weight without feeling deprived. When eaten in moderation, avocados support healthy weight loss. They make meals more satisfying and nutritious. Stay full and energized with this delicious superfood. A happy gut means a happy you. Good digestion is key to a healthy life, and avocados support your gut. High fiber content keeps your digestive system running smoothly. It prevents constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Avocados contain prebiotics that feed healthy gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome supports immunity and mental health. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe the digestive tract. Avocados help absorb nutrients from other foods more efficiently. They are gentle on the stomach and easy to digest. If you struggle with digestive issues, avocados can help. A happy gut means better overall health, boosts your energy levels, and keeps you active. Feeling sluggish or tired all the time? Avocados are packed with nutrients that boost energy. Healthy fats provide a steady source of fuel without energy crash. Potassium and magnesium support muscle function and reduce fatigue. B vitamins help convert food into energy efficiently. The fiber in avocados keeps blood sugar stable for sustained energy. Eating avocados before workouts can improve endurance. They keep you energized throughout the day without caffeine. If you want natural energy, make avocados a daily habit. Avocado, the versatile food you'll never get bored of. One of the best things about avocados is how versatile they are. You can enjoy them in countless delicious ways. Spread them on toast with eggs and tomatoes for breakfast. Blend them into smoothies for a creamy, nutritious boost. Make guacamole for a tasty and healthy dip. Add avocado slices to salads for extra creaminess. Use avocado as a substitute for butter in baking. Mash them into sandwiches and wraps for extra flavor. Try avocado ice cream for a sweet and healthy treat. However you eat them, avocados will never get boring. The secret to picking and storing avocados like a pro. Avocado is more than just a food, it's a lifestyle. Avocados are not just a trend, they're a lifestyle choice. They offer endless health benefits for your heart, brain, skin, and gut. Eating avocados daily can improve your energy, focus, and well-being. They are delicious, versatile, and easy to add to any meal. Whether you eat them in salads, smoothies, or sandwiches, they make every dish better. Avocados are nature's gift to those who want to live healthier. If you haven't made avocados a regular part of your diet, now is the time. Your body will thank you for every bite. Embrace the avocado lifestyle today.